So guys, welcome to H-QTV. I'm happy to invite you to SunWaves project that is supported by Ice Network, and this app looks like Ice Network, exactly like Ice Network if you my Ice Network. And this app is available on Google Play Store and is also available on Telegram. So guys, after you click on the link in this video description or under the comment section, the link is going to bring you to this next page. Then you are going to copy my referral code. You are going to hit on the copy button, that is SAHQTV, and you are going to get it on Telegram. If you want to download the app, no problem. And if you want to use Telegram, I'm using Telegram and I have the apps. So guys, this is SunWaves token. So if you are using Gmail, it may be possible that you are not going to get login, but just use Hotmail like Outlook. That's what I'm going to use, and you are going to see the link in this video description. I hope I should be able to log in now because I've been trying since yesterday night. So let me log in my account. I'm going to type my Hotmail like Outlook now. So I'm going to my Outlook now and I'm going to check for the code now. So okay, the code has been sent. So that's why I said you should use Outlook. We are using Gmail, it's not going to go through. So that's why you should use Outlook. So the code now is 8836. Okay, let me enter my nickname. My nickname is SAHQTV. Who invited you? This is the person that invited me. Let me set it like this. So complete. So I have 10 SW, that is SunWaves, and I haven't invited any person. So this is SAHQTV. That is what you are going to use. So let's go to the settings now. So this Lodre is mining and it's Nigeria. So this is it. So there's nothing here. I think this settings, so you can see my level 1. So let me start mining now. So I've been mining, as you can see. Can see now. So this is where I'm going to mining. This is just like Ice Network. If you use Ice Network, you are going to understand. So let me upload my profile picture now. So I'm going to do that. Let me upload my profile picture. So I'm just going to select my profile picture from here. So I'm going to follow them on X now. Let me follow them on X, and please open one account because it's going to require KYC as you are proceeding in mining, as you are mining. So let me follow them. So guys, you just have to complete this. Just complete this, join their Telegram. So after you complete this, going to unlock and get ready for their KYC. So I'm going to see you in my next video, and thanks for watching my videos. See you in my next video.